Jello roll-ups. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Delish. You need 3 ingredients for these easy roll-ups. 1 pack of Jello, any kind of flavor you want. I'm doing strawberry and lime. 3 ounces of gelatin. Jello. Half a cup of boiling hot water. 1.5 cups of mini marshmallows. We're going to put this in the microwave to get it nice and melted. Get you a bow, my gorgeous, gorgeous bow. Perfect for St. Patty's Day. Green's my favorite color. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Box cinnamon rolls. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Bow, this is one of my gorgeous Pyrex. Gorgeous, gorgeous bow. Get you some cake mix that got some sprinkles in it. Get you 1 1/4 cup of warm water. Get you 1 pack of active dry yeast. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1, 2. Yeast. Pour over. Get your pan. Plastic wrap. Sit on the counter for about a good hour to let it rise. It should look like. Get your rolling pin, coat it in some flour. Do 1/4 of butter and melt it. Put it on the top. Cup of brown sugar. We are going to sprinkle that on. You some cinnamon, sprinkles. We're gonna sprinkle on the top. And I roll. Make sure you cut them a little bit thick. Get your rows. Get you some more plastic wrap, put over the top. We're going to let rise for 30 more minutes on the counter. Remove. Bake at 350 until golden brown. Jalapeño popper egg roll. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Delish. Mmm. So good, you gotta try it. Get you a bow, my gorgeous, gorgeous bow. Get you a block of Philadelphia cream cheese. Get you some bacon, cut it up. About you some sharp cheddar cheese, a handful of dew. Some ranch seasoning.
What are you gonna do
Use some egg roll wraps. This is the kind I'm using. Some water. Set it on the side. Get you your filling. We're going to put it right here in the center here. Well, not the center, the corner. Get your finger, dip it in that water. Put it right there on the top corner. We're going to give it a good roll. Pull back. Then you see these little edges right here. You're going to fold. Roll until you get to the end of the corner. Get a dab of water, put all over it. Repeat. Some hot oil. Drop in. Cinnamon rolls. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Delish. Mmm. 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 Nice, warm. Mmm. Just melt in your mouth. Cheers. Gorgeous, gorgeous bow. 1 cup of warm milk. 1 pack of active dry yeast. 2 eggs. Half a cup of white sugar. 1/3 of butter softened. 4 cups of flour. I'm using all purpose. Inside your bowl, get you some clear wrap, cover. Half a cup of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and about 2 tablespoons of cinnamon of your choice. We're going to cut, put over into your prepared baking dish. 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, about a teaspoon of pure vanilla. Get you some heavy whipping cream. 1, 2. Give it a good mix again. We're trying to go for some icing here. It's going to be thick. Adding a little bit more of heavy cream and keep mixing. And it's going to turn out something like this. Thick icing. Oven to 375. We are going to bake for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven. Spread on the top of them bad boys. Sweet, creamy grapefruit salad. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Use some Philadelphia cream cheese and get you some marshmallow cream. We're going to pop this in the microwave for a few seconds. Let this be thawed on the counter. Get you a bow, my gorgeous, gorgeous bow. You get out of the microwave, it should just come right out. Give this a good mix. Get you some washed grapes. I'm using green and red. Any kind of nuts, pecans, anything you want. Put some on the top. That's it. Tuna salad. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delish. Yeah, bow, my gorgeous, gorgeous bow. 4 cans of tuna. Drain it, Put it in your bowl. Red onion, celery. Put over into your bowl. If you like boiled eggs in yours, add it. I do not. Some mayonnaise. Sweet relish. Pepper. Salt.